Hey Heir Family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been 2 long years since I've been on here. To be honest with you guys, I have been kind of nervous to get back on here just because social media has changed in such a big way. I don't know whether I should be dancing right now on TikTok, making reels on Instagram, or just starting my YouTube channel again. So I just want to get back on here and just see how you guys are doing. It's been a long time since I reached out to a lot of you guys, and just seeing people come back into the salon, it's been such a great feeling. But I haven't reached out to everyone to reach out to my YouTube family just to see how you guys are doing. I will be back on here. I'm gonna try to commit to doing weekly videos. I am super excited to get back on here and just make hair videos, make life content videos here today, just to update you all on what's been going on. Starting off with the salon, as you guys know, we were shut down for 3 months during the shutdown or the quarantine time, and it was the hardest time ever. I really just thought I was gonna lose everything, and that's so scary. That's so sad. You guys know I've been on a journey for 8 years now doing hair, and I finally got my salon, and to think that I was going to lose all of that because of this, and that was just one of my personal things that I went through. I know people had a lot of loss and a lot of challenges, and there has been loss in my family as well. And just to pay respect to you all on that and how you pushed through and how you got through that season in your life, that is one of the biggest things. And you should pat yourself on the back. You should thank God that, you know, you made it this far, because a lot of people did not make it. And not to get too deep or anything, because I really wanted this to be light and airy and just an update on what's been going on. But yeah, we made it, guys. And it's a beautiful thing to see us on the other side. So my biggest thing is getting back on here and sharing how I got through that, and really just how the salon made it through. And it made it through because of the Heir family. There is no other way to explain that. The only way the light stayed on and the building stayed a building is because the people who come in it every day and have graced the salon with their presence and really just being involved to pay for a service that you haven't even gotten because you believe in me and the salon that much. I'm just so grateful for that. And I express my gratitude every day, but I just want to say it, if not face to face, over the camera with you all, how grateful I am for how you continue to support the salon and my business. I'm just truly grateful. But the salon is flourishing now. We have new stylists, and they are amazing. If you have not been in the salon, we have Brittany. She's amazing. She does everything hair. Juliana, she specializes in sew-ins and extensions and braids. And then Raven, a loctician, she is the best of the best. And I really found my core, my team, my unit. We really just bounce off of each other. I tell them from the beginning, I have this building. I'm not trying to change you or your business, but I want to change the people that come into this business, into this space. And we've done that, and we're still doing that. And it's so beautiful to see, you know, not only the hair that has changed, because the hair that comes out of there is amazing, as y'all know, but the lives that are changed and the people that come back, and just seeing, you know, the growth in people, not only in their hair, but in their lives. It's a beautiful thing. So the salon is doing great. I'm still looking for stylists to join our little crew, our family, the Heir family, and really just the best of the best, because we have the Heir family is the best, period. The people that come into the salon, they're just the best. So we want the best for you all. So still looking for that. Another shift in the salon, as you guys seen, I have been blessed with one of the most amazing opportunities of my life. And that's working with Virtue Labs. Virtue Labs is a company. They're right here in Raleigh, North Carolina, and they have changed my life. Not only my hair, because my hair is great now, but my life. They found me right in the middle of the pandemic, and they really just took me under their wings and showed me the beauty of their products, and not only the products, the beauty of the people that worked with them, the family, the unit that they have created such a masterpiece when it comes to hair. Just a little bit about them. They invited Alpha Keratin 60KU into a hair care industry that did not have that. And what that is human hair keratin. It's something that blew my mind, because I was like, what? We're putting hair in products? But it made so much sense when they explained the science to me, and I'm going to make more videos about Virtue and, you know, give you guys a firsthand look. But that's just a little bit on it, and I just want to touch on it just a little bit because I have videos upon videos to go over that. But really just being a part of that team, they have changed my life. They have changed my perspective on the hair industry and how I treat my clients' hair. You guys know that I've always provided the best at the salon, but really just going on the science side and really going into a deeper level of the hair so I can help not only with, you know, just making the hair look good, but making the hair healthy and grow. So it's been a beautiful partnership. I have been with them working on their curl line. You guys know curl is my baby. And it's been amazing. The people that they have just working on it and working with me and just listening, being a listening ear, saying, does this work? Does this not work? It's been a beautiful experience. I know you guys have seen me travel a little bit. I'm getting outside of North Carolina, something I didn't think I would be doing. Going to different places and seeing how they do hair and seeing different people and how they really just change the game as far as the hair industry is going. It's going left, right, up and down, and just really working with everyone, all shapes, sizes, colors, creeds, and just seeing the unique diversity in hair and working with such amazing people. Just really, I don't know, my palette, y'all, it's blowing up, and I'm really just opening my eyes and seeing all the new things that this world has to offer. And that's so beautiful that I get to bring that back to the salon. Let's talk about personal. After a 2-year break, personally, I have went through a breakup, and that was just like a mutual thing. And it wasn't anything that, you know, made me sad or anything, but I was lonely for a little bit. I have my family, of course, and y'all know my family is my rock, my foundation. But having that, you know, partner is a beautiful thing as well. And now I do have a wonderful partner. He is so amazing. My mom actually put us together. It's so crazy how that happened. And, you know, they say it happens, and this is so cliche. They say it happens when you don't look. And y'all, I was not looking. I was not looking up. I was looking straight down. I was focusing on the Heir Salon, the Heir Family, putting out 5 million reels a day. Like, I was doing all of that and really just focusing on building my brand, for lack of a better term. And so with that came my mom. She's like, I saw your husband at church. And I wasn't at church that day. I think I was with Virtue, actually. I was like, girl, what are you saying? And she was like, I found your husband at church. And y'all, this man, tall, dark, and handsome. But not only that, just a true gentleman. And when I met him, I was flirting with him, but he didn't think I was flirting with him. But that's a whole nother story for another video. But now I'm in a happy relationship. Things are going beautifully. Of course, like any couple, we have our up days, we have our down days, but he's truly a patient man, and he understands what I'm trying to do with my career, how family oriented I am, and he really just respects that, and I respect him so much. And I just love him for that. So it's a beautiful thing, and I can't wait for you guys to meet him. So the last thing is manifesting. You guys know I am a Christian. I pray and I manifest, but really diving deeper into that, not on a spooky dooky type of thing, but really just changing my mindset on things. Because when things don't go my way, I usually get upset, and I am working on that now. And that has been something I've been dealing with for a long time. Getting upset when things don't go my way or things aren't shifting the way I wanted them to. And really just changing my mindset on things. And, you know, I hate fluffy duffy stuff, and I always say that, like, if you're my client, you know, self-help books and stuff like that, if they're too fluffy, it's just not for me. And I really didn't want to dive deep into that. I wanted to hit the core, and that was really my mindset and how I was thinking about things. And I changed my mindset about things. Things have started to shift completely, saying, okay, things don't go my way. Let's see how, you know, either God was blocking something from happening and that wasn't the direction I was supposed to go in, or really just saying, Kendall, did you really want that? And being honest with myself and asking myself, did I want that because I wanted it, or did I want it because someone on Instagram had it, or someone on YouTube or TikTok had it? So really getting out of my own head and getting out of the social media world for a little bit and taking that break, with still having my Instagram, of course. And if you're not following me, I'm going to shamelessly plug myself in right now at the Heir Salon. Y'all go ahead and follow me so you can join this amazing Heir family that we have. Really getting out of that world for a little bit and just really focusing on the beautiful things that I had, and then the not so beautiful things I had, and focusing on that part of my life and really just honing in on that. I am taking a lot of tips from a lot of people as far as writing down what I'm manifesting and writing down the life that I want. And I'm gonna tell you guys, the life that I want is a successful business that's already happening, and I'm so excited about that. But not only a successful business, but a beautiful clientele relationship, and I have that already, but just to sustain that throughout the years and to keep that same energy, as people say, keep that same energy for a very long time with my clientele and just people I meet and people I partner with. I want to create relationships. That's something that I don't have. I have a beautiful relationship with my boyfriend, a beautiful relationship with my clients, and my work relationships. They're beautiful, but just like girlfriends. Like, I want to do the social meetups. I want to hang out and have a whole bunch of beautiful, successful girlfriends and guy friends and just friends in general, to create a community, a strong community, the people I can lean on. That's something I really want. I want you guys to know, and if you don't know, I do want to be a celebrity hairstylist. That is something that has been a dream for a long, long time. And I've had the amazing opportunity to work with one of the best celebrity stylists in the industry, and just an amazing person, dear Abigail, just an amazing, amazing person, and just so many other celebrity stylists that I have got to work with. And it's just been something that's inspiring, and it makes me so emotional, because it's like I'm seeing my dreams in front of my face, and I'm not saying, you know, I want their life, but I want that life, if that makes sense. I want that life that I dreamed of. And so really just manifesting it and just praying over it and just doing the work behind it. Because I don't want to just be sitting here, you know, humming, I want to be famous, I want to be this, I want to be that. Like, that's not it at all. I don't want to just say things and think things. I want to live by those things. So I have been changing my life. I've been shifting my life. And that's going to be a whole nother video that I want to talk about, and how the people in my life now have changed everything. You guys have seen me evolve in this past 2 years, and it's been so beautiful. Thank you guys for welcoming me back to YouTube. I'm not gonna make this too long. I just wanted to tell you guys thank you. I appreciate you. I love you. Subscribe. Continue to share beautiful things about the Heir Salon, what we're doing there, because you guys give the best reviews. I'm like, how do you guys even think of this stuff? You know, really just join the family, get somebody else to join the family, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Mwah!